Welcome. In this tutorial, we created a JavaScript function that finds the longest country name in a list. We'll use the reduce method to compare each country name efficiently. This is a great example of functional programming with arrays. Let's get started and walk through the problem. Our goal is to take a list of country names and return the one with the most characters. In this example, United States of America is the longest name. We'll use a method that compares the lengths of strings as we look through the array. Let's take a look at the actual function. We use the reduce method to compare two names at a time. Each step keeps the longer of the two strings. By the end, the longest name has been passed all the way through. It is a concise and elegant solution using functional array methods. The processor starts with an empty string and compares it with each country name. At each step, we either keep the current longest or replace it with a longer one. By the end of the reduce loop, we found the longest item. Let's see this function in action with different inputs. Here are some test cases to illustrate the function's behavior. It works on short names, long names, and mixed inputs. Now, this makes it useful anytime you need to pull the most descriptive label or entry. Now let's explore how this technique applies to real projects. This kind of function helps in many areas, from formatting dropdowns to labeling maps. It is great for ensuring text fits inside design elements or validating inputs. You can adapt it to compare names, titles, or even usernames. Let's wrap up everything we've learned. We built a reusable function that finds the longest item in a list of country names. It is clean, efficient, and useful across different applications. Try extending it to handle tie cases or apply it to other types of strings. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.